Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your OnPoint mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top and type in homeloanapp.onpointcu.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will now directly take you to the sign-in portal for OnPoint Mortgage. If you want to sign up for OnPoint Mortgage first, you will need to click the sign up button appearing at the top. To sign into your existing mortgage account, type in your email address and then your correct password in the password tab. If you don't remember one of your credentials, get help by clicking on Trouble signing in and following the prompts. After filling in your details and after it is correct, click on sign in and this will then log you into your OnPoint Mortgage. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.